Yo guys, Alan Brother Outdoors here today, and today we're gonna be fishing Lake Falcon. Got the boat in the truck right here. My dad's with me. Last time we caught two huge ones, 5-pounder, and then my dad caught an 8-pounder. And we're about to launch the boat and fire up and go to a spot and fish. So let's hit it. All right, guys, we're on the water and we're getting the GPS thing all set up, and then we're gonna head to our spot and start fishing. So let's do it. Alright guys, we're at Chad because this is the place where I caught my 5-pounder last time. So we're gonna bang this spot and see what happens. That is on a, what is it? What fluke
Houdini.
is it? Houdini fluke. I don't think it'll keep though. It's probably like 13 inches. Easy keeper, guys.
GoPro, start recording.
Yeah. Dude, that's a 1-pounder. Jeez. 2 pounds? Alright guys, so I had 2 fish on the hook. One was pretty big, but they both got off because it was on a crankbait, and I guess I just handled it wrong. And so we're firing up the motor and we're gonna go to my dad's spot where he caught the 8-pounder. So let's fire up and get to it. Going wipe this. I've gotten them 3 casts in a row. That's 5 in a row. Hook remover thing, pretty nice. Good fish, guys, good fish.
Got him hooked well.
You know what's funny, Dad? I'm not even kidding. The second I said that, did you hear me?
Fish.
Did you hear me? I was like, have you got any bites? Dad, you're so salty, man.
You gotta slow down.
So salty. Alright guys, white bass. But it was kind of crazy because like it came off almost like on the side of the boat, and like I was reeling it in and it just came in and I flipped it on the boat. It was cool. I didn't get on video though. Alright guys, so got an awesome time on the lake. My dad ended up with a 4-pounder and a 9-pound bag, so like 3 fish, other fish. And then I hooked two bass. They got off. I think one was pretty big. I caught 5 white bass, and that was pretty cool. But yeah, that'll wrap up the video for today. Hope we'll go fishing. I'm going to the coast next week, so we'll make a video of that. Yeah, we'll see you soon. So thank you for watching. This is Alan Brother Outdoors.